This tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do AutoCAD basic settings. So I'm going to be using AutoCAD 2021. So I'm choose AutoCAD 2021 because it is a little bit of a higher version to 2020. So but we have 2025, so it's going to be easy for those even in 2018 to be able to make this settings. So I'm going to go to get started when you launch AutoCAD. So this is how it's going to be. These are drawings I've been doing, and all drawings, recent drawings used so far, done so far. So these are the drawings. I'm going to show you how to get to all of this particular drawing. So I'm going to go to get started. So the interface of my AutoCAD is pretty dark in color. Now when you launch your AutoCAD, a default is normally white. So I'm going this my UCS sign. I'm going to now, if I zoom in my mouse using the middle button of my mouse to zoom, it's it's just at the middle of my screen, so I don't like it, so I want it to go away. So I'm going to right click on it. This shows that it is selected. I'm going to left click again, come down to UCS setting, uncheck this particular blue check mark. Now it moves to the bottom left hand corner of my screen. Now it sticks to that particular portion. So at this point is my 00. So I'm going to get up to that. So I'm going to just want to show you how I got this dark screen and all of that basic settings. So I'm going to left click any part of my screen. I'm going to come down to options. Now this options dialog box appears. So I'm going to go to, if you look at this my options screen, you will see I have tabs. I have the file tabs, display, open and publish system and all of that, the drafting and all of that tabs there. So I'm going to come to this file tab. I will advise as a beginner, you don't work on this, you don't touch anything here. So come down to display. Now go over to this dark or light. If I change this place to light, you're going to see the effects. I'm going to tell you the effect of this. So come down to color. Now on this your 2D model, the context is 2D. I'm using 2D. I want to change this my 2D model space, in which is this the black background here, all of this. So if I go over to the sheet layout, I'm going to show you the sheet layout also, and the 3D and all of that, the plot view how it's going to look like. You can change anything you want, so but I just want to show you the 2D model space. Now the background, I want it to be uniform. I'm going to come down to color. I'm going to pull this down. I'm going to choose let's use green. So I'm going to go over to apply. Now the background changes to green. That's just looking very awkward. So I don't know, but if this is good with you, you can also use it and try it out. So I'm going to come down. I'm going to make this go away, this options dialog box go away. So I'm going to say apply, then I'm going to say close. Now the effect of that light we choose, this is it, and it's looking really terrible. So I'm going to go back to options. I'm going to go back to this place. I'm going to change it to dark. If I say apply, now it's looking dark and it's looking presentable to the eyes. So I'm going to go back to options. I'm going to go back to change it to go back to color, change it to black, say apply. I'm going to say apply. Okay, now it's looking really good to the eyes, and it's not going to hurt your eyes if it is this dark. So I'm going to go back to options. Let's do some more stuffs. I'm going to go back to open. Now this save as file is very important, because if you are sending your drawing to someone, you don't know the particular version the person is using. So you would like to send it in a lower version, because if you send it in a higher version like 2001, this drawing may not open in any drawing in any version lesser than 2001. It may not open in any drawing, any version lesser than 2001, but 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025, or thereabout can open it. So I'm going to send it in a low, I'm going to save it in a lower version as 2007. This is better because any version lower than 2021 can open it. 2027, 28, 29 to 10, 12, any version can open it to 2025. So this way is better because some people are still using lower versions based on maybe they are used to it and all of that, but I'll advise they upgrade. So I'm going to say apply and okay. So now any drawing I'm going to save is going to be saving as 2001. Now if you see these are drawing, it's not yet saved. So if we save this drawing, is going to this drawing one is going to bear the name we save it as. So I'm going to go over to options. I'm going to go back to publish. Now I have this particular printer installed in my computer. It doesn't print with papers, but it helps me to be able to preview my drawings and see how it's going to look on paper pretty fast, and it's very nice. You can like it. I'll drop a link of this where to download this in this video bottom of this. You just check the bottom of this video, you'll see this download link whereby you can get this. So already mine is already set to that, so I'm going to leave it at that. So when you download it, just come here. It's going to be the default on your AutoCAD and it's going to be helpful to you. So I'm going to go over to this particular section whereby I have the drafting tool. I'm going to go over to colors. I'm going to go to 2D model. Now this 2D model aperture, so I'm going to go over to this place. Now I can change it, maybe any color I want, but mine is green. You can make yours to become red. You choose any color and all of that. So I'm going to leave it as that. Then I'm going to come over to, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to change your drawing units and also create a customized scales.